Yes, I'm Bharti Kumari. Today I'm going to discuss about the Prisoner Act. As we know that the Prisoner Act is the sub-clause 5 of Section 65 of Article, and it relates to prevention of the caste prevention of the war. And while that we know that there are the prisoners, plenty of the prisoners in the jail, and as we know that they have been on the basis of the trial and doubts, and the election commission prevent them to cast their vote. It's not good for them because there are the plenty of the scholars and they have not declared by the court that they are criminal or not criminal, and before declaring that they are criminal or not criminal, and they should not be prevention to
They should not be prevented.
to cast their vote. And while that the NSW North South State of Australia, it means the Supreme Court of Australia allowed to the prisoner to cast their vote also. And after the pressure of NSW, the Indian Election Commission allowed to the allowed to the prisoners who has punishment, who are the who are the punished less than 12 months over the 3 years to cast their vote. While that it is a petty convictions, and they will be also discharged after this time, and it is a discriminate whenever a politician in the jail and he get bail before the election, and he cast their vote also, and he sometimes they participate in the election also, but they what we learn from them, because being a leader we have power to do anything, we have all rights, we have all things whatever written in our constitution, but being a lay citizen or the layman, we have no right to do anything. I think according to me, I learned these things, and they
Okay, Bharti, thank you so much. You have explained very well. Okay, yes, you. Next round, I will take that. I'll ask the questions from you all.
Our topic is prisoner.
Yeah.
That we can find there are a lot of prisoners
Yeah.
who are out of the bar.
just
Yeah,
explain
okay.
to me, we make this video.
Okay, you have the problem. You have the tonsil problem, I think.
No,
Okay.
listen. Listener means
Okay.
We can find that there are a lot of prisoners who are scholars also, and
speak about the prisoner act is the
You have the problem. You are not able to tell. Then how will you manage? You slow you speak. Slow because Bharti, she has the problem on that. Yes.
there are a lot of prisoners who are scholars, and we can find there are a lot they have not given a right of the vote also, and we can find they are discriminated by the government also, they are discriminated by the judiciary also, because there are a lot of political members are there who are prisoners, but still they get a chance to give a vote rather than the scholars. So I think it's not valid for the
Valid reason.
valid reason.
Okay, no problem. Okay, tell me. You make her okay.
As we know that according to the Prisoner Act, sub-clause 5 of the Section 65 of Article regarding prevention of the vote, and according to this act, the prisoner who is in the park is not free to titer their vote, and this was totally wrong, because everyone have right to cast their vote, maybe they are prisoner or a normal person. According to the NSW North South Wales state of Australia allowed the prisoners to cast their vote, so why not India? And after seeing it, India allow only those prisoners who is punished for less than 12 months and less than 3 years years. So this is was wrong because there were a lot of scholars, and because whenever everyone do the campaign, so they will put in the bars, which is wrong because everyone have to right to show their thoughts, and if anyone show, so the police or anyone apprehend them and put them in the bag. So this was wrong, and I don't think that this act was right. And if we think that there was a prisoner who is now
Okay, in the second round I will take. Yes, okay. Okay, tell me. Second round I will take. You should discuss.
Since my topic is prisoners, so
Yeah.
Council 5 of election in 65 Act of the Prevention of India, prevention of vote,
Yeah.
but some people were prevention people were going to arrested in the jail, but they were innocent. They were the writer.
They are.
They are writers. Educated person,
Yeah.
and they were innocent people, but they have not inculcated
Yeah.
in this matter. But they were
They have not been involved in this matter.
They
They have not been.
They have not involved in this matter, but the judicature not allowed to the just someday before this the vote will become, but they were not going to the any place of the vote. But NSW are allowed to the key.
Yeah.
Prisoner people were going to attend the vote,
Yeah.
but Indian judicature are not allowed.
Don't allow.
Don't show out. They were not going to the vote.
Yeah.
That's why they release the jail, and they going to the vote, and they start the revolution, and they will start the crime, and some people will support this person.
Some people support.
Some people support in this person,
Yeah.
but this is not a good. Please, we will the prevention with the party election.
Yeah. Okay, yes, you. Priya. I will ask once again. You have the need to
The
discuss.
topic is the provisional act.
Yeah. Okay. No
Some
problem.
people in the jail on section 65 act. Some people is an innocent pupil, poet, writer, is a very good person in jail, but not to write, give a vote.
Yeah. They have not been given the right to vote.
Not given right the vote.
Right to vote.
Right to vote. Government should be right the vote on
Should give.
right the vote in innocent person in jail. At least all people give the vote and they will start.
Okay, you try. Okay, you try. I will ask once again. But you make them.
So below the five
Yeah.
section and 65 of article, there
Yeah.
reveals that the prisoners who locked in the bar,
Yeah.
they
Yes.
locked in the bar,
You have not discussed with your partner. You must discuss with her. Okay, yes, you.
Today my topic is prisoners.
Yeah. Speak loudly.
Prisoners are section 65 articles revealed, and NSW